Hey, son.
Hey, Dad.
Love you, son.
Love you, Dad.
We're stuck on the runway. Apparently, it's an hour and a half before we can even take off. Hey guys, Omar here. I'm here at my hotel and we're gonna surprise the actually we're still in the airport. Okay, so the plan is we are going to surprise the grandma because she doesn't know that the kids are coming. So we're gonna see if we're gonna pick up the car and then surprise the grandma. She thinks I'm the only one coming. Let's do it. Okay, we'll take this Hyundai guy. What should we call this mission, kids?
Grandparent fool out.
The grandparent fool out begins. All right, so operation. Operation Foolage complete. Hey. All right, so now we're looking for a restaurant to eat and
See that? Yeah, now I can see.
okay, we had dinner. This is probably a GoPro low light test here, but we have the Fuji XT20 in Old San Juan, and there's beautiful old streets here. You can see, and there's a kid. Yeah, Theo! What do you want? We're Puerto Rican here. Hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you, Papi.
I
I'm
love
so
you.
happy. I love you too.
Pretty dark out here. My exposures are ISO 3200, 6400, so the Fujifilm can deal with the dark, but these tiny sensors probably look terrible. But I've been impressed so far by the GoPro as a vlogging camera, and we'll try more tomorrow. But we had a great dinner, we had a great surprise with the parents, and I'm also interested how the microphone works on this guy. Great for vlogging though, it's so tiny. So all right, tomorrow more. here in the Pueblo XTRA, which is the Puerto Rican supermarket, and the lighting here is fabulous. But now we're indoors, there's probably no wind, and we're checking out what it looks like, the GoPro, in a supermarket. All right, here we go, egg test. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, really? Am I gonna be on YouTube for the first time ever?
So we're testing the GoPro for vlogging. It's been great for vlogging. What do you think of my sister's hair? Isn't it crazy?
I have to
When
watch
she
it.
was little, she had this little fro. We should put a picture here of you as a little...
please, no fro. No,
And-
GoPro, no fro.
And she used to dress me up as a little girl.
Yeah, you remember that?
Let's put that picture up too.
I'm so happy it didn't.
The other thing we do is what do we do all the time?
High fives. We like to do that.
We're here in Granddad's house. Here's some evidence of Hurricane Maria. We're gonna go into the old laundry room. Here's the laundry room. Here's the laundry room. Here, there is no roof. Look at the language translation. Remember we used to do this, Dad? Dad and I used to come to Puerto Rico when we lived in New Jersey. Remember we used to come and just...
Yeah, I remember. We're lost. We did that before too.
Now we're walking through the rainforests of Puerto Rico. We're in this little forest called Cambelache, Bosque Cambelache, which is in my dad's town. All right, we got a little tight section here. Yeah, it does, kind of.
Also, this is adventure. It's good.
How you doing, Dad?
Oh, good. A little sweaty, but fine. Oops, not anymore.
Oh, careful, there's spikes there. Yeah, it's a little tight. So it looks like the trails are not super maintained because they get really tight. And the overgrowth, you gotta get really low. You good, Dad?
There's something in those trees.
Dad's quoting Predator now. Wow. Oh, spider web and out. Spikes. Out. Spikes. Okay, watch this plant. It just killed me. And the great thing about the GoPro 8, it's got stabilization so you can hike with it.
We got something over here.
Did you hear that? Anyway, so far we've seen a snake, we've seen a cuckoo bird, we've seen a lot of insects. And so it's really, really cool. You hear all kinds of birds.
Oh,
There's a thorn in there.
So we just got beat up by the forest. Right now my leg is burning because I brushed it up on something. And thorns are attacking us. It's just really dangerous.
Grandpa got mentally hurt. Are you talking to me? French fry, anyone?
All right, so the GoPro 8, I believe, was a success to vlog. I think the microphone is good. I think it looks pretty good. And it's convenient. That's the #1 thing, is you could just have this camera in your pocket more than any other camera. So you could vlog with it anywhere. And that makes a good vlog, is you could just whip out the camera and start talking. All right, I'll see you guys next time.